Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free USA number for your verification and texting. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's get started. If today is your first time on this particular channel, kindly subscribe, like this video and leave your comments. Okay, so the name of the app you are going to use is Virtual SIM. Okay, so there's the app. So if you don't have it, you just go to your app store and then search for Virtual SIM. Okay, so you search for virtual SIM. Okay, so as you can see, it's over here. You just tap on it and then you install. But since I already have it on my phone, I'll just open. Okay, so after opening, you see a welcome message. Okay, so it says welcome to Virtual SIM. You have a lot of things you have to read, but for the sake of the video, I'll just go ahead and tap on get started. Okay, all right, so it's asking me to try for 3 days. Okay, yeah, or skip. Okay, so I'll just go in for try for 3 days over here for free. Okay, so it's asking me whether I want to use my Apple ID or my Google account. Any of the accounts will work. Okay, so I'll just go in for my Apple ID for the process to be short. Okay, so I'll just confirm it, then I'll wait for it to load. Okay, so it says I'm almost there, so all I need to do is to wait. Okay, so this one I'll just confirm it. Okay, I'm not going to be debited any amount, so all I need to do is to double click to subscribe. It depends on the phone you are using. With phones with lower iOS, I think you use your fingerprint or you just confirm your code. But since I'm using a Face ID phone, all I need to do is to double click the side button to subscribe. Okay, so right now we've created our account successfully. As you can see, it has given me a success message over here. So I just tap on OK. Yes, I'll wait for it to load as well. Okay, so once it's done, I'm now coming to personalize my number. Okay, so I've gotten the number successfully over here. You can use it for all your verification, your WhatsApp verification, Facebook, Instagram, any verification at all. And if you think you want to use it further, you can just top up. Okay, so top up. You have $5, $10, $20. That's for the call. Oh yeah, that's for the call and stuff. Hope you understand. Yeah, so that's it. So let's try a verification and see. Okay, so let's say you want to use it to verify our TikTok. All we need to do is to copy our number. Okay, or just enter it manually. So 5165 97 8168. Okay, then we just tap on continue to receive our OTP. So all we need to do is to do the verification. So it says you should select 2 objects that are same in shape. Okay, so we are waiting for our verification. If you can see, the verification is already in. Okay, so the TikTok verification is here. So the code is 378578. So just copy it, go back to TikTok and then paste it over there. So paste. Okay, so we verified our TikTok successfully. All you just need to do is to enter our password. Okay, our password. I think the password I entered doesn't meet their requirements. So all I want you to know is you can use it for verification. Okay, yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment. And also you can use this number to verify any social media account at all. Yes, so I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Thank you.